Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be making some ginger juice. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So here I have about just under a pound of ginger that I have washed and I've scrubbed with my brush to get rid of all the residue that's on the ginger. And I've gone ahead and made some rough slices. Now you can peel your ginger if you choose to, but I just literally scrub mine with a brush. And yeah, because remember, the ginger, you know, came from the dirt, so it's got a lot of residue on it, so bear that in mind. So it's either you're going to really wash it properly or you're going to peel the ginger. Now I'm going to be using my juicer to extract all the juices from the ginger. But if you have a blender, you can also go ahead and use your blender, or as the old time folks them used to, just hold them great and just make them undo the work. So here I'm just literally now gonna juice my ginger. If you're new to my channel, guys, thank you so much for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Now the residue that's left from the ginger, what I like to do is just go ahead and add some water, cause you know, so when I waste nothing over in a Shellz kitchen, I would just like to creep up on everything that we can get. So I'm literally now just pouring in the water. I'm gonna put it aside for a couple of minutes, then I'm just gonna strain this off. Now whilst that's done, what I like to do is boil the kettle. Now I'm using roughly about, in total I use a cup of sugar to sweeten this juice, and what I like to do is just add some hot water to the sugar because I find that it just melts a lot quicker. Now let's strain our juice. Now I literally strained this about 3 times because, you know, it's got a lot of bits in it and nobody no want no bits in them juice. Well, me personally, I don't like it. So I strained this in total about 3 times. Now the water and the ginger that was left from the juicer, I just gonna put it through my strainer and just use my spoon to just press all the juices out. Now I did go ahead and redo this again. In total I got about 2 liters of ginger juice. Now once all that's done, just in for a final strain. Now when I see that there's less and less residue, then I'm completely happy. Now what I'm gonna do also is add 2 lemons. You can use lime if you have lime, but you know we have lemons, so we are gonna use lemon. So I'm just literally now using my lemon juicer just to juice the lemon, then I'm just gonna add it to my drink, my juice. Now guys, it is important, this ginger is very, very strong. This drink is not for the faint hearted, you know, but I tell you, we clear your nasal passage in a second. It chang like a lion, trust me. This is ginger we're playing with, and you know ginger is very, very fiery. There I go again, just sweetening it. And it is important when you're making your drink just to taste it to see if it's got the right sweetness, or if it's too sweet, add a little bit of water. If it's too strong, add some more water. If it's fresh, add a little more sugar. Now once you're satisfied that your drink is to the taste that you want, just serve that over with a little bit of ice. Now I just like to go with a little mint leaf just for, you know, a little bit of decoration, make it all pretty for the gram. Well guys, speaking of the gram, don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Now guys, a little tip for you: when you're storing this in your fridge, what I like to do is go in with a few cloves just to help to preserve the drink. Not that it will last that long in the house, you know, because I tell you, say every minute them throw it out and them a drink it. But you know, if you want to have it for a little bit longer, just put a few cloves in there. Now guys, it all depends. Now if you know you throw the drink and it no taste right, don't drink it. Just don't drink it, throw it away. But you know, that does help to preserve the drink. And there you have it guys, my ginger juice, ginger drink, ginger juice, anything you want to call it. There it is. Thank you so much for coming to my channel guys. I really appreciate you guys, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.